like you don't speak enough Japanese? That you need to know more words? Then stick around. With these lessons, you'll pick up some of the most common words in just a few minutes. Now, this video is a small portion of our learning program. To get the full lessons, translations, and Fluency Fast study tools, click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account. Hi everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to Conversational Phrases. We've found that the best way to learn a language is to speak it from day one. And the best way to start speaking is to learn phrases that you'll use in real conversations. Now, let's take a look at some conversational phrases.
Listen to the dialogue.
ご職業は何ですか？私は芸術家です。
Listen to it again, now with the English translation.
ご職業は何ですか？
What do you do?
私は芸術家です。
I'm an artist. First of all, you need to learn how to say, What do you do? That's.
ご職業は何ですか？
Listen to it again.
ご職業は何ですか？ご職業は何ですか？
This Japanese sentence literally translates into, Your job, what is? But it means, What do you do in English?
ご職業
Is a respectful way to say job in Japanese, and it is used when talking about someone else's job. Now, how do you answer this question? This is the pattern you'll need.
私は
Your occupation.
です。
This Japanese sentence literally translates into, I occupation am, but it means, I'm an occupation in English. For example, I'm an artist.
私は芸術家です。私は芸術家です。
Now, listen to some examples.
ご職業は何ですか？私は教師です。ご職業は何ですか？私は医者です。ご職業は何ですか？私はエンジニアです。
Listen to the dialogue.
お母さんはお元気ですか？元気です。
Once more with the English translation.
お母さんはお元気ですか？
How's your mother?
元気です。
She's fine. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, How's your mother? That's.
お母さんはお元気ですか？
Listen to it again.
お母さんはお元気ですか？お母さんはお元気ですか？
This Japanese sentence means, As for your mother, fine is, but it translates as, How's your mother in English. Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is state of well-being.
です。
This Japanese sentence literally means state of well-being is. We omit the article she, but it translates as she is state of well-being in English. For example, she's fine.
元気です。元気です。
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
お母さんはお元気ですか？とても元気です。お母さんはお元気ですか？ママです。お母さんはお元気ですか？元気じゃないです。
Listen to the dialogue.
大丈夫ですか？
オフィスは暑いです。
Once more with the English translation.
大丈夫ですか？
What's the matter?
オフィスは暑いです。
The office is hot. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, What's the matter? That's,
大丈夫ですか？
listen to it again.
大丈夫ですか？大丈夫ですか？
This Japanese sentence literally means, All right, are you? But it translates as, What's the matter? Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is
オフィスは
adjective.
です。
This Japanese sentence literally translates as, The office, adjective, is. But it means, The office is adjective. For example, the office is hot.
オフィスは暑いです。オフィスは暑いです。
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
大丈夫ですか？オフィスは寒いです。大丈夫ですか？オフィスはうるさいです。大丈夫ですか？オフィスは汚いです。
Listen to the dialogue.
これは何と言いますか？
駐車場と言います。
Once more with the English translation.
これは何と言いますか？
How do you say this?
駐車場と言います。
It's parking lot. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, How do you say this? That's,
これは何と言いますか？
listen to it again.
これは何と言いますか？これは何と言いますか？
This Japanese sentence means something like, As for this, what do you say? But it translates as, How do you say this? Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is word.
と言います。
This Japanese sentence translates as word, it's called, but it means it's word. For example, it's parking lot.
駐車場と言います。駐車場と言います。
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
これは何と言いますか？
キリンと言います。
これは何と言いますか？
旅行と言います。
これは何と言いますか？
侵略と言います。
Now, if you're wondering how to remember these words forever so that you can start speaking more and more, here's how. 1. Review them with our spaced repetition flashcards. Our flashcards will drill these words into your long-term memory. 2. Save the words to our word bank, your personal collection of words, where you can print out physical study sheets. And 3. Watch our looped vocabulary slideshows on repeat until you understand every word. You'll find these tools inside our learning program. Just click the link in the description to get them.
Listen to the dialogue.
好きな数字は何ですか？ 7 です。
Once more with the English translation.
好きな数字は何ですか？
What's your favorite number?
7 です。
It's 7. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, What's your favorite number? That's,
好きな数字は何ですか？
listen to it again.
好きな数字は何ですか？好きな数字は何ですか？
This Japanese sentence literally means, As for your favorite number, what is? But it translates as, What's your favorite number? Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is number.
です。
This Japanese sentence literally translates as number is, but it means it's number. For example, it's 7.
7です。7です。
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
好きな数字は何ですか ?2 です。好きな数字は何ですか ?4 です。好きな数字は何ですか ?9 です。
Listen to the dialogue.
どんな映画が好きですか？
ホラーが好きです。
Once more with the English translation.
どんな映画が好きですか？
What kind of movies do you like?
ホラーが好きです。
I like horror movies. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, what kind of movies do you like? That's,
どんな映画が好きですか？
listen to it again.
どんな映画が好きですか？どんな映画が好きですか？
Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is type of movie.
が好きです。
This Japanese sentence translates as type of movie I like, but it means I like type of movie. For example, I like horror movies.
ホラーが好きです。ホラーが好きです。
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
どんな映画が好きですか？
コメディが好きです。
どんな映画が好きですか？
ファンタジーが好きです。
どんな映画が好きですか？
ラブコメディが好きです。
Listen to the dialogue.
ゴールデンウィークに何をしますか？
ビーチに行くつもりです。
Once more with the English translation.
ゴールデンウィークに何をしますか？
What are you doing for Golden Week?
ビーチに行くつもりです。
I'm planning to go to the beach. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, what are you doing for Golden Week? That's,
ゴールデンウィークに何をしますか？
Golden Week is a series of public holidays that take place one after another in the spring. Many people use this time to travel. Listen to it again.
ゴールデンウィークに何をしますか？ゴールデンウィークに何をしますか？
This Japanese sentence literally translates as Golden Week during what do you do? But it means, what are you doing for Golden Week? Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is plan.
つもりです。
This Japanese sentence translates as plan. Intention is. But it means I'm planning to plan. For example, I'm planning to go to the beach.
ビーチに行くつもりです。ビーチに行くつもりです。
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
ゴールデンウィークに何をしますか？旅行するつもりです。ゴールデンウィークに何をしますか？家にいるつもりです。ゴールデンウィークに何をしますか？ 映画を見に行くつもりです。
Take a look at some conversational phrases.
Listen to the dialogue.
もしもし、担当者と話したいのですが、
はい。少々お待ちください。
Once more with the English translation.
もしもし、担当者と話したいのですが、
Hello, I'd like to speak with the person in charge.
はい。少々お待ちください。
Okay, just a moment. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say hello on the phone. That's
もしもし。もしもし。
then you need to learn how to say, I'd like to speak with person. The pattern is person.
と話したいのですが、
This Japanese sentence literally translates as person with speak I'd like to, but it means I'd like to speak with person. For example, hello, I'd like to speak with the person in charge.
もしもし。担当者と話したいのですが。もしもし、担当者と話したいのですが。
Now, how do you answer this question?
はい。少々お待ちください。
Okay, just a moment. Listen to it again.
はい。少々お待ちください。はい。少々お待ちください。
This Japanese sentence literally translates as, yes, a little wait, please, but it means, okay, just a moment. Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
営業担当者と話したいのですが、
はい。少々お待ちください。
マネージャーと話したいのですが、
はい。少々お待ちください。
顧客サービスと話したいのですが、
はい。少々お待ちください。
In this lesson, you learned new vocabulary and phrases you can use to talk with friends. You're now able to have a casual conversation like a native speaker. Start by practicing in the comments below. Tell me and your fellow learners what you think is super cool. Lastly, don't forget to click the link in the description and download your PDF cheat sheets. You'll get useful phrases you need for everyday life for free. See you in the next lesson. Bye! Remember, here's what you can do to learn all of these words by heart. Drill these words with our spaced repetition flashcards, which will help cement these words into your long-term memory. Save them to the word bank, your personal vocabulary collection, where you can print out your own study sheets, or review the words with our looped vocabulary slideshow and play it until you know all of the words. So click the link in the description right now and sign up for your free lifetime account to get these lessons and study tools.